Have you ever wondered which bank powers the global transactions of a fintech giant like Airwallex? It's a question that's piqued the curiosity of many, especially those who've used Airwallex for its seamless cross-border payments and currency exchange services. While Airwallex operates as a fintech company, it leverages the infrastructure of traditional banking institutions to facilitate these financial operations. The complexities of global finance. Before we dive into the specifics of Airwallex's banking partnerships, let's briefly discuss the complexities of global finance. Moving money across borders isn't as simple as transferring funds within a domestic banking system. It involves a myriad of regulations, currencies, and financial institutions. Airwallex's strategic approach. To navigate this complex landscape, Airwallex has adopted a strategic approach. Instead of relying on a single bank, it has forged partnerships with multiple financial institutions around the world. This diversified approach offers several advantages. Resilience. By partnering with multiple banks, Airwallex can mitigate risks associated with any individual bank's operational issues or regulatory changes. Global reach. A network of banking partners enables Airwallex to offer its services in a wide range of countries, expanding its customer base. Optimized operations. Strategic partnerships can help streamline processes, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. The mystery behind the curtain. While Airwallex doesn't publicly disclose all its banking partners, we can gain insights through various means. Regulatory filings. Financial institutions are required to disclose certain information to regulatory authorities. By analyzing these filings, we can identify some of the banks involved. Public statements. Airwallex occasionally shares information about its partnerships in press releases, blog posts, or during investor presentations. Indirect indicators. By observing the currencies and countries supported by Airwallex, we can infer the presence of specific banks in its network. The power of partnership. The exact details of Airwallex's banking partnerships may remain shrouded in mystery, but one thing is clear: these partnerships are crucial to the company's success. By leveraging the strengths of traditional banking institutions, Airwallex is able to offer innovative financial solutions to businesses and individuals worldwide. So, while we may not have a definitive list of all the banks powering Airwallex, we can appreciate the intricate network of partnerships that enables this fintech company to thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.